Hello everyone, welcome to day 1's practice. Today we will talk about column addition, column subtraction, times and division, and a word problem. So at first, let's review what's the meaning of 1's digit and 10's digit. So 1's digit is here, 10's digit is here. So when we want to column addition or subtraction, we will fill in the numbers to the right place. So like question 1, 17 plus 12. So in 17, basically there is 1 10 and 7 ones. So we can put 17 here. And then 12 means 1 10 and 2 ones. So we plus 1 10 and 2 ones. We align the digits. Can you see? All the ones will be put in the ones column. All the tens will be put in the tens column. And now we will start to do the calculation. We usually start from the ones column. So from right to left. For ones column, there are 7 plus 2, which is 9. And then for tens column, it's 1 plus 1, so we can get 2. Then we can solve it out. Okay? And for column subtraction, let's have a try. So still we can label tens and ones. And now for 38, there are 3 tens and 8 ones. Take away 10. 10 means 1 10 and 0 ones. And now let's start to do the calculation from 1's digit. Here we have 8 take away 0, which is 8. For 10's column is 3 take away 1, which is 2. So we can get 28. Okay, so that's how can we do column addition and subtraction. I think it's easy for you, right? And now let's talk about times and division, okay? For times means loss of. So if there are 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, so lots of circles, right? How can we know the total amount of the circles? We can see there are 1 2 3 4 rows, is it? And for each row there are 3 circles. So now we can group. We can make every 3 circles in a group. Okay, and now let's count. So if in each row there are 3 circles, then how many rows of 3 are there? There are 4 rows of 3, is it? Then we can write down it. 4 rows of 3 means 4 times 3, because rows of means times. Okay. So now 2 times 8, it means there are 2 rows of 8. So if there is one group of 8, that's 1 row of 8. And 2 rows of 8 means 2 times 8. So basically we can do 8 plus 8, which is 16. Or if you can memorize the times table, it will be pretty easy for you. You can just solve it out. 2 times 8 will be 16. And then for question 4, 4 times a number equals 20. How can we solve it out? So what's the meaning of it? It means 4 rows of something will be 20. So, there will be some groups. 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, and 4 groups. And the total amount will be 20. And think about it. How many 4 rows of 5 will be 20? So we can write it down, because 4 rows of 5 will be 20. And then for question 5 is a division question. So 24 divided by 6, it means there are 24 in total. And now if we put 6 in a group, how many groups are there? So maybe we can draw a line segment to help us. That's the total amount, 24, and 6 in a group. And now we are thinking, how many rows of 6 in 24? Then it's the answer. So 1 lot of 6 will be 6, 2 lots of 6 will be 12, 3 lots of 6 will be 18. 4 lots of 6 will be 24. So it means if we divide 24 into some equal groups, and in each group there are 6, then there will be 4 equal groups. Okay, and then let's talk about the calculation about fraction. So 1/2 of 14. So it means in total there are 14, and we are finding 1/2 of 14. So let's draw a bar, and we can find 1/2. This is 1/2, 1 out of 2. 14 is a total. So 1/2 of 14 means we're dividing the 14 into 2 equal parts, which is 14 divided by 2 is 7. And then for this one, still the same method. We can draw a bar. Just label everything you can see. It's 1/3, right? Label 1/3 out. This is 1/3. 1/3 of something of the total is 3. So it means 1/3, this part of the whole will be 3. This part is 3. And we know 1/3 means 1 out of 3 equal parts. If this part is 3, then this part will be 3. This part will be 3 as well. So what's the total? 3 lots of 3 is 9. Is it? Okay, and then for question 9, although there are 4 numbers, but do not worry about it, it's pretty easy, because we have learned number bonds and brother numbers before. Number bonds means like 2, 8, 1, 9. For this kind of numbers, if we plus them, if we add them together, we can get 10. And now let's see. For 22, 27, 17, 8, is there any number bonds, number friends? Yes. 2 and 8 can make 10. So we can do 22 plus 8 at first. It's pretty easy. So 22 plus 8 will be 30. And now for the other 2 numbers, we can see the 27 and 17, they end with the same number. So they are brother numbers. If we do minus, we can get 27 take away 17, which is 10. And now let's do plus. 30 plus 10 will be 40. Okay? And question 10. Hannah left school at 3:30 in the afternoon. Remember to underline the key words. She walked to the bus stop and just caught the bus at 4:10 in the afternoon. The bus trip took 18 minutes. How long did Hannah spend walking? Okay, the question asked us the time of walking, right? So let's find out the word walk in the question here. So when did Hannah walk? Hannah walked to the bus stop. So now the question is, how long did Hannah walk from school to the bus stop? And from school, the starting time is 3:30, and the ending time at bus stop is 4:10. How many minutes between 3:30 and 4:10? Let's find the full hour in the middle, which is 4 o'clock. So starting from 3:30 to 4 o'clock, there are 30 minutes. From 4 o'clock to 4:10, there are 10 minutes. So how many minutes in total? There are 40 minutes in total. So you can draw a line, draw the diagram to help you.